Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Hi everybody, this is class 10 mathematics worksheet 1. This worksheet belongs to the chapter areas related to circles. Now multiple choice questions. In the question number 1, the part of the circular region enclosed by a chord and the corresponding arc of a circle is called. So here let us consider a circle. Now the question is that this part of the circular region enclosed by a chord and the corresponding arc. For example, this is a circle and here it is a chord AB, right? Now the part of the circular region enclosed by chord, so enclosed by AB, and the corresponding arc is also AB. So this part is called, it is called a segment. So here option A is the right answer. Now we see question number 2. If a line meets the circle in two distinct points is called. So here let us take a circle whose center is O or C, something else. Now here there is a line meets the circle at two distinct points. For example, this is the line, it meets at two distinct points, name them as AB. So this line is called a secant. So here option C is the right answer. If it touches at only one point, then it is called tangent. Here chord is there, so here AB. They should be A and B, they should lie on the circle and it should not be extended. So then it will be a chord. Radius, the distance between the center to any point lies on the circle. So according to the given question, if a line meets the circle in two distinct points, then that is nothing but a secant. Now we see question number 3. That is, area of a sector of angle P, that is in degrees, of a circle with radius capital R is. Actually area of a sector formula, that is, here I am writing theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. This is the formula of area of a sector. This is the formula for area of sector of a circle. Now here if you observe the options, no option is suitable. Then here we do one thing, the given angle theta is P, so let us replace theta with P, then it becomes P by 360 degrees into pi r square. Now let us compare. So here it is P by 180, but we need P by 360. So here 2 is there, 720 is there. We do one thing, let us cancel, this is 2 1 jar and this is 360 jar. So this is P by 360 into pi r square. So this same. So or else we can do one more thing, we can multiply and divide this one with 2. So then also we will get the option D only. So anyway, option D is the right answer. Now we see question number 4. The perimeter of a protractor is, protractor will be, it is in this shape. Now the perimeter is, so this portion is called semicircle, this is a semicircle, right? So let us call this as AB, that is semicircle AB, like an arc. And this is the AB, this is diameter. This AB is nothing but C. Let us take the center as O. A to O, radius, O to B, radius. So A to B is diameter. This is diameter AB, bar means AB straight line, this is AB arc. Now here this is the circumference of the semicircle. Circumference of the semicircle is 2 pi r by 2, means pi r, because circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. It is a semicircle, so 2 pi r by 2 is pi r. And here this is the radius. When we take the r as radius, here I am taking r as radius, for example OA and OB, okay, they is equal to r. Now AB is AO plus OB, this is r plus r is 2r. Now the perimeter is from this point again to reach this point. Now here A to B, this is pi r, and from B to A again 2r. So the total is pi r plus 2r. So from A we need to start, again we should reach A, that is AB arc, or we can say semi circumference, and then diameter. So pi r plus 2r. From options you see option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 5. That is the circumference of a circle whose diameter is 4.2 centimeter. So actually circumference of a circle formula is 2 pi r, in which 2r is nothing but diameter. So that is given as 4.2. So in place of 2r, I am writing 4.2. It can also be written as 42 by 10 into pi. Pi is 22 by 7. Now here let us do simplification. We can cancel this 42 with 7 6 times. So it is 6 into 22. So this is nothing but 132 divided by this 10. So it is 13.2 centimeter. 13.2 centimeter. From options, option A is the right answer. Now we see question number 6. That is the area of a ring having capital R as outer radius and small r as inner radius. Now here the question is the area of a ring. For example, let us consider a circle whose radius is capital R. This is capital R. To get ring, let us consider another circle with the same center. So here whose radius is small r. Now we are asked to find area of the ring. That is nothing but area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. See, this is ring. This is area of the ring is to be found. The sense is that this area is to be found. This area nothing but area of the bigger circle pi r square whose radius is capital R, so pi r square, minus area of the smaller circle is pi r square whose radius is small r, so small r square. We can take pi common. So here r square minus r square. So that is option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 7. That is area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Circumference of a circle is nothing but 2 pi r. So here it is given 2 pi r is given, that is 22. Let us simplify that one first to get r. So here let us write 2 as it is. Pi means 22 by 7 into r. Let us write r as it is equal to 22. Now here 22 can be cancelled one time. Then from this r is equal to, let us send 2 by 7 that side, it becomes 7 by 2. Right, here 2 is in the numerator, it comes denominator, 7 is in denominator, it comes numerator. So r is 7 by 2 centimeter. Now the question is not finding r, the question is that area of a quadrant. Quadrant is nothing but 1/4 part of the circle. For example, this is the circle whose radius is 7 by 2. Now if we make circle 4 parts, one part of the circle is nothing but the quadrant. So we are asked to find this area, that is nothing but 1 by 4 times area of the circle, that is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7 and r square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Here its formula is 1/4 of pi r square. So where I substitute the values. Now let us do simplification. Cancel 7 and 7. So this is 2 1s and 2 11s. Now here 11 into 7 is 77 divided by 4 2s are 8. Now let us divide 77 by 8. I am writing it clearly here, 77 by, here 4 2s are 8, 77 by 8. So it is 8 9s are 72. So 5 is the remainder. When we keep here decimal point, then 5 will be 50. Then 8 6s are 48. Again 2 is remainder. 2 0 20. 8 2s are 16. So 20 minus 16 is 4. So 4 becomes decimal again, 4 becomes 40. So 8 5s are 40. Since it is in centimeter, or is in centimeter, so the answer will be, area will be centimeter square. So 9.625. Right. Option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 8. The area of the largest triangle that can be inscribed in a semicircle of radius r is. So here let us draw a circle whose radius is r. Now here the requirement is a semicircle, so let us take a semicircle. Now the largest triangle whose base will be the diameter, so let us take AB as the base, and here consider this point as C, and here this is O, CO is perpendicular, that is ACB is an isosceles triangle, whereas AO means OA, OB, OC. These are nothing but radii. Now this will be the largest triangle, okay, that can be inscribed in a semicircle. Now here we are asked to find its area. As we know, area of circle formula half into base into height. So let us write 1 by 2 as it is. Base is here AB. AB nothing but r plus r is 2r into height is nothing but CO, that is also r, radius r. Now here 2 and 2 can be cancelled. We get here r into r is r square. So finally the area of the required triangle is r square, that is option A is the right answer. Now we see question number 9, that is the perimeter of a square circumscribing a circle of radius a units is dash. So let us draw a suitable diagram for this question. The perimeter of a square circumscribing a circle. So here there is no place, so I am utilizing this place. There is a circle that is circumscribed by a square. So here we can draw a square. Okay, so name it as A, B, C and then D. Now this is what? A square circumscribing a circle of radius A units. So here from here to here this is A units, right? Let us take the center as some O. Now this is the radius, that is nothing but A units. Now the question is that perimeter of the square, perimeter of ABCD. So if it is A, then this also will be A, this also will be A, and here this is everything here A, and A. Now as we know, the perimeter of a square is 4 times a side. This is what perimeter of a square. Here I am writing perimeter of a square. So 4 times side, 4 into each side is A plus A, 2A, here also 2A, 2A, 2A. So 4 into 2A is 8A units. So from options you see option C is the right answer. Now we see question number 10. Two coins of diameter 2 cm and 4 cm respectively are kept one over the other as shown in the figure. See, there are two coins. This is the first coin, this is the second coin. Then the question is that the area of the shaded ring shaped region in square centimeter is. So here the first coin whose diameter is 2 cm. So we can take whose radius as 1 cm. So this is smaller. It can be taken as 1 cm. And another coin that is a 4 cm. So here we can take this as the bigger radius, means the radius of the bigger coin. So this is 4 cm. This is nothing but capital R. This is the diameter. So its radius is 4 by 2, means 2 cm. Now the question is that area of ring. Area of ring formula is nothing but area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. So then this shaded region, area of the ring will come out. So that here area of the bigger circle formula is pi capital R square, here capital R nothing but 2 square, minus area of the smaller circle is pi small r square, here small r is 1, so 1 square. 2 square is 4, 4 into pi is 4 pi, minus 1 square is 1, 1 into pi is pi, 4 pi minus pi is 3 pi. So 3 pi square centimeter, we can write cm square. Now from options you see, option C 3 pi in square centimeter. So 3 pi centimeter square is the final answer. So option C is the correct answer. Now we see question number 11. The area of a square that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 8 centimeter. So here square is inscribed in a circle. So let us draw a circle in which we can draw a square. So here ABCD is a square. Now let us join AC, and this is the center of the circle, that one that you can take it as some O. So here let us consider, for example, the side of the square as some A units. If it is A, this is 90 degrees, BC also will be A because square has all equal sides. Now by Pythagoras theorem, AC, here I am writing, AC is nothing but under root AB square plus BC square, that is A square plus A square, means 2A square. So this is root 2 into root A square. So root 2 into A. This is the diagonal of the square, that is root 2A. From the figure, it is clearly AC is the diameter. AC is the diameter of the circle. So diameter is nothing but 2R. So that is what 2 times 8. So we can say that AC is the diameter, that is 2 into R. So 2 into 8 is 16 centimeter. So clearly we can make these two values equal because this is also AC and this is also AC. So we can make them equal. Root 2A is equal to 16. So A is equal to 16 by root 2 centimeter. Now the question is that area of the square. So area of square is nothing but side square, means A square. So we have A as 16 by root 2. So 16 by root 2 whole square. 16 square is 256. By root 2 square is 2. So here we can cancel them. This is 2 1 jar 2, 2 128 jar. So finally 128 cm square, centimeter square is the final answer. So here let us see the options. See 128, option B, cm square. So option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 12. The area in centimeter square of the circle that can be inscribed in a square of side 8 centimeter is. Circle can be inscribed in a square. So that is the same picture, okay, same figure. So consider a circle whose center is O, that is inscribed in a square. So let us draw a square. Now label it as A, B, C and D. Now here the side of the square is given as 8 centimeter. So AB is 8. So that let us take this point as some P. APB is 4 and PB is 4. So the radius of circle is clearly 4. Clear? Now here we can write the radius of the circle R is 8 centimeter by 2, nothing but 4 centimeter. Now area of the circle is pi r square. Pi into, here r is 4, so 4 square. 4 square is 16. 16 into pi, 16 pi centimeter square. So here see 16 pi cm square. So option B is the right answer. Now we see question number 13. In a circle of diameter 42 centimeter, this is diameter, nothing but 2 times r. If an arc subtends 60 degrees at the center, this is the theta, where pi equal to 20/7, then the length of arc formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So let us substitute the values. Here theta is 60 degrees out of 360 into 2 pi r. In place of 2r we can write 42 into pi is 22/7. So here we can do cancellation. This is 7 1 jar and 7 6 jar. This is 61 jar and 66 jar. 6 and 6 get cancelled. So finally here we get 22, since it is the length 22 centimeter, because diameter in centimeter. So 22 centimeter means option C is the right answer. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.